Hey guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you a reliable way to create a clickable table of figures in Google Docs using built-in tools. First, add a caption under each image. A simple method is to type your caption on the line below the image and start it with a label-like figure, like figure 1, followed by the caption text. Next, to make those captions appear in an automatic list, format each caption as a heading level that you don't normally use. You can use heading 6. To do that, select the caption text, open the style drop-down, choose heading 6 and repeat for every caption using a low visibility heading level. Keeps the document outline tidy. Then, place the cursor where you want your table of figures to go, usually after the title or table of contents. Click Insert Table of Contents and pick the linked style. Choose Google Docs to generate a clickable list of captions you marked as headings. After that, if you add more or remove or rename figures, click the refresh icon in the table of contents to update it. Also, if you prefer not to use a heading style, you can instead add a bookmark at each figures and build a manual list of links. But the heading method is fastest and keeps links auto-generated. Finally, a quick tip: keep your caption wording consistent. Always start with figure 1 if you're numbering with figures, so scanning and numbering stay easy. And consider reserving one heading level solely for captions so your main document structure isn't affected. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.